Hey guys, I'm back with another recipe. Tonight we are going to be making buffalo chicken dip. We're gonna having some friends over tonight, and I'm going to be making that. So we're gonna do the first part of it in the Instant Pot. You can do it on the stove as well, bake it in the oven, whatever you want. We're gonna cook the chicken, bottom line. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to add 2 cups of water to the bottom of the Instant Pot here. And I'm going to put the 2 chicken breasts actually just right on the rack. Right in there, just right on the rack. So just 2 cups of water, chicken on the rack, and then we're going to shut this up. Okay, we're gonna hit poultry, and we are going to do, because these are not frozen, we're gonna do poultry for 6 minutes, and we'll come back and see what it's like. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, I've just let it sit for 13 minutes after the timer went off. I had some other things to do, so we're just gonna open that up and take a look in here. No, they look like they're doing pretty good. I'm gonna just get them out and cut them up and see how they are. Okay, we've got them. Just gonna cut it up and see if it's cooked. Yep. Perfect. Okay, so what we need for this recipe, we need ranch, Philadelphia cream cheese, Frank's Red Hot wing sauce, and a little bit of sour cream. I'm going to get this chicken shredded. I was told that I'm going to put the chicken into my KitchenAid mixer with half a cup of the liquid that's in here, and then put it on the with the mixing tool, and apparently it shreds really nicely like that, so I'm going to give that a try. Okay, so we're going to take about half a cup of the liquid that's in here and put it into here. And this is the first time I've tried this, so I'm not sure if it's this hook, but we're going to try this. I just have it on a low setting, and it's shredding the chicken really nice. Put it a little bit higher. Perfect. That is a really easy way to shred chicken. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to leave it in here actually, and we're going to put it back on the mixer shortly. We are going to take, this is 3/4 of a cup, the whole thing. This is the thing that came with the Instant Pot, if you guys have one of these, or you can just use regular mixing cups as well. So we're going to use 3/4 of a cup of the ranch. I've already used some of the cream cheese in here, and what's left is equivalent to 1 brick of cream cheese. So we are going to use 1 brick of cream cheese. We are going to use 3/4 of a cup of the Frank's Red Hot sauce in here. And we'll scoop some of that out. And we are going to use some, I have a double cheddar cheese shredded mix here. So I've got 2 cups of that in here. I'm going to put that in there. We're going to put it back in the mixer. This can be done by hand as well, but obviously if you have a mixer, these things are so easy to use and so awesome. So we're going to put it on a low setting again, let it mix. Go a little faster. you've never had a buffalo chicken dip before, you are going to absolutely love it. It is so delicious. Serve it with crackers, serve it with bread, serve it with chips. Definitely a party favorite. All right.
Now we're number 10.
Perfect. So we're going to transfer this now into a Pyrex dish because we're going to put it in the oven. This dish is best served hot. You can either stick it in a small crock pot or in a regular crock pot and serve it in that to keep it warm for a long period of time. Or you can just bake it, because chances are baking it is good because it gets eaten pretty fast. So, okay, here we go. So we are going to put that on for 400 for probably about 20 minutes or so, okay? Hey guys, here's the finished product and it will be devoured very shortly. Have a good night.